In this video, I'll guide you through how to find REO bank-owned properties with PropWire. If you're searching for bank-owned properties, also known as REO properties, PropWire provides a quick way to locate them using its built-in filters. Many real estate investors like to keep an eye on these properties because they have already completed the foreclosure process and are now owned by a lender. Depending on the situation, these properties may present investment opportunities, making it useful to know how to find and review them efficiently. To get started, log into your PropWire account and open the home screen. From there, choose the market you want to search. You can enter a zip code, city, or county, depending on the area you're interested in. After selecting your search area, PropWire will display the total number of properties available within that location, giving you an idea of the size of your market before you begin narrowing down the results. Next, open the Lead Types filter. Scroll through the available options until you find the bank-owned category, then select it. PropWire will automatically update the search results to display only properties that are identified as REO or bank-owned. This gives you a focused list without having to manually sort through thousands of unrelated properties. If you'd like to make the list even more specific, you can apply additional filters based on your investment strategy. For example, you may want to limit the results to single-family homes, condominiums, or multifamily properties. Choosing a specific property type can make it easier to focus on the opportunities that best match your buying criteria. Once you've narrowed your search, you can begin reviewing individual properties. Simply select a property from the list to open its details page. From there, navigate to the Owner Information section. This area provides the ownership details available for the property, including the name of the organization listed as the owner and its mailing address. You can also view other properties associated with that same owner when available, which may provide additional context as you evaluate potential opportunities. With this information, you can organize your research and determine which properties are worth exploring further. Some investors choose to contact the listed owner by mail to introduce themselves and express interest in purchasing qualifying properties. Whether you're building a prospect list or simply researching your market, PropWire's filtering tools make it easy to identify and review REO bank-owned properties. By combining the bank-owned lead type with additional property filters, you can quickly create a targeted list that aligns with your investment goals.